Exciting news for drone enthusiasts. The first leaked images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro have surfaced, and they're giving us a sneak peek into some incredible upgrades that could be landing sooner than expected. According to a reliable leak from DroneXL, run by DJI insider Jasper Ellens, DJI's next mini drone could be packed with features that will change the game for both beginners and experienced flyers. Currently, the Mini 4 Pro is the top-rated sub-250G drone, holding the #1 spot on our best drones buying guide. But it looks like the Mini 5 Pro is already gearing up to take that title with some serious upgrades. Let's dive into what we can expect. 1. LiDAR technology for the Mini series. One of the biggest rumors swirling around the Mini 5 Pro is the addition of LiDAR sensors. In the leaked image, we can see front-facing LiDAR sensors placed just above the camera. This could make the Mini 5 Pro the first sub-250G drone to feature LiDAR technology. LiDAR would significantly improve the drone's collision avoidance system, especially in low-light conditions, making it safer to fly at dawn or dusk. DJI first introduced LiDAR with the Air 3S, and it made a huge difference for obstacle navigation in low-light environments. If the Mini 5 Pro follows suit, it will likely outperform its predecessors in terms of safety and usability during those twilight flights. 2. Longer and more stable flights. Another leak suggests that the Mini 5 Pro will feature larger motors, which means better wind resistance and potentially longer flight times. Some leakers even claim that the Mini 5 Pro could achieve up to 50 minutes of flight time. That's a major leap compared to the Mini 4 Pro, which offers about 34 minutes on a full charge. A 50-minute flight time would place the Mini 5 Pro in the same league as higher-end drones, making it a must-have for serious drone pilots. 3. Bigger camera sensor. When it comes to camera quality, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to pack a 1-inch sensor, a huge upgrade over the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 4 Pro.
In today's video,
this larger sensor will offer better image quality in low light, improved dynamic range, and more detail in bright conditions. For photographers and videographers, this could be the biggest upgrade of all. There's also speculation that the Mini 5 Pro might offer 5.3K video, a significant step up from the 4K at 100 frames per second offered by the Mini 4 Pro. 4 new design features. Another surprising detail from the leaked images is the propeller guards visible on the Mini 5 Pro. This would mark a departure from the classic Mini design, which is known for being sleek and compact. Propeller guards would add an extra layer of safety, especially when flying in tight spaces. However, some fans might not be happy with this change, as adding guards could impact the drone's weight and performance. It's still unclear if this design will make it to the final version, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. 5. Could the Mini 5 Pro be over 250G? One of the main appeals of the Mini series has been its lightweight design, keeping the drones under the 250G weight limit, which is important for drone regulations and beginner pilots. But with all these new upgrades, LiDAR, larger motors, and a bigger camera sensor, there's a chance that the Mini 5 Pro could surpass the 250G mark. If that happens, it would no longer be eligible for the same relaxed regulations, but the upgrades might be worth the price.